I saw make a video but me cry about coupe my main can mama chode. Who should Ghana deep power? It look as if say that region here for Ashanti regional. It is well marketed, well branded than even the Ghana itself. Because unim se me hwe sanko fu din na otumfo ko baby na bo won se ayi otumfo de dankrofo ya otumfo atare mi hu Ghana ase ohene bia no wa ne kromfo hye na atare chen otumfo na wo ma hene wo ho won hye na atare won ye ne hwe asantini be dress de ne flag abobom me hwe so ne badu ni show bi okoye okuma si Christmas ya na me hwe ne backing vocalist no any instrumentalist no omo dressing all in the asantini colors. These people they are too much. But I can understand why omo nyema na ekotin salonim so hwe Ghana ha se din pa omo penny regional okwa ho enkofo no mo ho ni na ofa Ashanti regional Asante phone kwan. Let me explain this one. We are want to say me nka say okwa Ashanti regional other tribes but the regional e yo mwankasa region is even say ofa Greater Accra on say nye nkan phone kwan wo ha Adamfo wo ha bi Ngofo wo ha bi okọ Eastern regional Krobofo wo ho bi what they say but okwa Ashanti regional mu nipa no mo kromu nu nifo nyina ne ya Asantefo. It is okwa Ashanti regional okọ House of Chief wa obie no free other regional na so obie no kasa foforo wa sawo sa regional House of Chief wo enti omo no de omo aye no eya e say ampa so omo ye kro no omo hye kro mu o omo ye omo no omo hye omo ni mu o because they do things that a man ye fe. I tell you and unti na onim o ti baby a unti mi nkoye flag ni bi no because say wo ever say wo Eastern region na okoye flag a I don't know na wo ya chimini ana o ye kuapimini enti de betimi aba se achimfo be ye omo de ekuapimfo be ye omo de krobofo be ye omo de it doesn't represent the region but it represents that ethnic group but when one offer savage na offer flag na it represent all of them from Mampon Jusso like baby or Muobi and that cannot represent them. Charlie, these guys unanimo ebio. Nti se unanimo enye bia. Enye too late. They can start now. Na munya mu division na mu de timu di mu no. Na mu hwe wo de na mu nsua wo mu. You understand? When somebody is ahead of you, you don't envy them. You go to them and learn from them. That is what we all need to do so that yensu ya bu na ye kono na namufo no mo beba ye chi no ensu be hu se yensu ye be ye bi na omo so start afiri ho. Let's start from somewhere. It is not too late. Start from somewhere and stop the envy. 2026, stop the envy. It will not take you anywhere. Go to the